This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Hashtag Go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
The Fame Game.
This is Go MMT Radio and the name of the show is The Fame Game. Yes, the game is about fame, and that's also because all of us have got one or the other talent. And इस talent को हम खूब संजोते हैं, and we also ensure that we are kind of running it on the side as a side gig, because that is a therapy for most of us, whether it is dancing, singing, playing a sport, painting, photography, tons of things and tons of such talents that I have spoken to here at Go MMT. On the radio show, The Fame Game, today joining me is a dancer, and she's been doing it for a few years now, Simran Bhatia from the Offline Marketing Department based out of Gurgaon. Simran, so nice to have you on the show. Welcome.
Thank you so much for having me.
So Simran, how long have you been with MMT, you said?
I will complete 2 months this week.
Oh, okay. We're going to talk and focus more on really what you do in the time that you have for yourself, which really, really makes you happy. And that I believe is dancing, choreography. We did get chatting about it before we started the show. But tell me something as a dancer or making those moves. When did you realize that you enjoy it and you're also good at it?
It's a very funny story, actually. I was about, I think, 5 or 6 years old, wherein my parents discovered that I have the stage fear. Like the moment I was on stage, I would freeze, not say anything. And then they kind of in summer camp put me for multiple activities, painting, dancing, etc., etc. And I think that's when I got to know that, okay, dance is something which I really connect to. And I think from then there's no going back. I used to dance for my summer vacations, for all the annual dances, and I even joined my college group. We used to win multiple competitions, etc. So I think, there's no going back since then. So it's been around what I think, about 20 years, you can say 20, 25 odd years, 20 years.
Okay, now what form of dance and what style you're most comfortable in?
I surely started with Bollywood, but then I also explored lyrical, contemporary, hip-hop. But if you say my favorite, I think that has to be freestyle and Punjabi. I really enjoy Bhangra.
So you've thrown in a little bit of folk also.
Yes.
Okay, we're going to talk more about this and a little about what kind of work you do, what kind of job role you have here at MMT as well.
If you need support, just tap away. One-to-one help is here to save the day. Swipe to call our counselor, will help you feel joyfuler. Download, log in, you're good to go. Mental health support in one place, 1,000 resources, daily tips too. Activities and care picked just for you. Need help fast? No number to recall. The toll-free helpline's built in, just swipe to call. If you need support, just tap away. One-to-one help is here to save the day. Swipe to call our counselor, will help you feel joyfuler.
भाई, लॉन्ग वीकेंड पे कहाँ जा रहा है?
कहीं नहीं भाई, बहुत काम है.
एक दिन सब चले जाएंगे, बस तुम्हारी एक्सेल में वी लुकअप ही रह जाएगा.
The Fame Game.
The Fame Game with Simran Bhatia, who's in the Offline Marketing Department based out of Gurgaon. My name is Annie. So tell me, when it comes to dance, and you've seen so many moves, you've seen so many styles, and some of the styles that you really love doing and because you're most comfortable in and you think you can really grow in those styles you've mentioned to me. Recently, speaking of dance, Michael, the biopic, also released. Did you happen to catch it?
No, not yet, unfortunately, but I will surely.
You should. Oh my God, that man is the king of pop, and for a reason that even till date, he is the most popular man in the world.
And his looks.
And well, the kind of experimentation he did is not something that is advisable, because he kind of was, he kind of got addicted to it, and some really wrong notions I think he had about the way he looked, because he looked fine. He looked just fine. But I guess thanks to his really rigid childhood, while the other brothers got away, poor fellow didn't get away, and it really kind of played on his mind. Anyways, it's time for the Bollywood quiz. That's what you've picked between both the quizzes. Are you ready for it?
Yeah, I hope so. Yes.
Okay. Which actress is in the movie Slumdog Millionaire?
I'm very bad at it.
Oh, come on. I'll give you options. Rehan Wood, Katrina Kaif, Frida Pinto, Molly Scott.
Frida Pinto.
That
Frida
is
Pinto.
correct. Which actor and actresses are in the movie? Lead, of course, in the movie Chalte Chalte.
Rani Mukherjee and Shah Rukh Khan.
That is correct. Which is the movie that has Manisha Koirala and Amir Khan? I'll give you options because there are a few they did together, but this one, hopefully you'll be able to pick. Raz, Om Shanti Om, Run or Man?
I think Man. Yeah, Man.
Yes, that is correct. What is Rani Mukherjee's name in Kuch Kuch Hota Hai?
Tina.
Yeah, it is Tina. Who, apart from Amir Khan, wants to marry Preeti Zinta in Dil Chahta Hai?
Saif Ali Khan.
Aha, okay. What are John Abraham and Akshay Kumar's professions in Garam Masala?
Some very shady professions for sure. Apart from dating the same girls, I don't remember.
Okay, I'll give you options. Photographers, reporters, male escorts, cricketers.
Escorts or reporters?
Correct answer is no, it's photographers. Photographers.
Oh, okay. It's been a while.
It's been a while, okay. Who plays the blind friend in the 1964 movie Dosti? ये बहुत tough सवाल है.
ये तो बहुत ही टफ सवाल है. ये कौन सी मूवी है?
ये आप तुक्का लगा देना. I'm giving you options. Ramesh, Raju, Shamu या Mohan. Who plays the blind friend? Ramesh, Raju, Shamu या Mohan?
शामू ठीक लग रहा है.
The answer actually is Mohan.
Okay. I have not watched this movie.
Okay. I am known as the king of romance. Who am I?
Of course, Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah. And the last question. From where does Veeru propose to Basanti in the movie Sholay?
Top of some tower.
Water tower.
Basanti.
Water tank. Yes. I'll give it to you. I'll give it to you.
Yes.
Well done. Well done, Simran.
Hi everyone, this is Ankit Khanna and you're listening to Go MT Radio.
The Fame Game.
सिमरन भाटिया के साथ बातें हो रही हैं on the Fame Game. She is from Gurgaon. My name is Annie and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. Now tell me quickly something about what you do at MMT in the offline marketing department.
So I look after the partnerships and tourism board, basically promoting multiple destinations on our platform in collaboration with different tourism boards. So they could be like extension on promotion on our platform, on external platform, doing stuff like social media, SEM, Meta, so that there is a lot of visibility about the destination. And then we also give them good conversion in terms of booking packs, etc. to the tourism boards. Yes, that's correct.
Interesting. That's quite interesting. Coming back to now, the talent that you seem to have been making and putting to good use, which is, I think you've been choreographing for your, for your families and cousins and friends who've been inviting you for, say, the Sangeet or Mehndi या शादी पे भी जो डांस करते हैं या नाच गाना सबको पसंद है आजकल. बॉलीवुड स्टाइल में ही सबको शादी करनी है. क्या आप भी ऐसे ही शादी करने वाली हैं, सिमरन?
मेरी शादी तो हो चुकी है यानी 3 years back.
Oh, congratulations. तो आपकी शादी पर किसने नाच गाना कोरियोग्राफ किया था? आपने खुद नहीं?
मैंने ही किया था और अपने ही कॉकटेल नाइट पे I was sitting right there and like instructing my cousins like कि ऐसे करो वैसे करो. In one of the songs they literally chucked me out saying that पूरी footage you will take away. That was all boys number. They were like no, you can't do this. You will have to sit and watch us. It's like okay, I'll let you have that.
So that's nice to hear that खुद की शादी भी एकदम बॉलीवुड स्टाइल में आपने की. मुझे लगता है everybody loves the theatrics behind a wedding, right? The entry, the exit, the color combination. So what was the theme of your wedding?
So my cocktail was all about glam. It was literally a party in fancy dresses and the wedding, it was a day wedding. So it was around pastels, dreamy. I had a nice Gurdwara wedding followed by her palace lunch.
Nice.
And I was very, very picky about how my entry has to be. Although I barely got any time to choreograph. It was all spontaneous. Few of my reels also went viral. My own wedding reels.
Oh my God. What's your Insta page? I'm sure people would want to take a look at it. What's your Insta handle?
It's sim.kbhatia. sim.kbhatia.
All right, sim.kbhatia.
Hello everyone, this is Leander Pace and you are listening to Go MMT Radio.
The Fame Game.
On the show, The Fame Game with Simran Bhatia. So, what about if people start telling you to take this up professionally and, ask you to choreograph for, say, Sangeets or anything else that comes your way? Do you think you're game for it?
Yeah, it just requires a very different kind of time, I would say, because with the full-time job, because in weddings at least what I have seen, you have to give dedicatedly at least 8 to 10 days.
Correct.
For if you're choreographing certain pieces, because then you're teaching very different kind of people. You're teaching the elder people as well. You're teaching the group of your age, and then you're teaching kids, which I think again is a very, very different ballgame altogether that requires so much patience, because I have done that and I did not know it could be that challenging. But yeah, I'm always up for the opportunities that come my way, not saying no to things like that. I'll be up for it, but of course I think I'll have to be in a different mindset for that.
I guess, see, as long as you're where you have the time apart from a job, which will not be the case once you start a family, you can explore as much as you can.
I agree. Yeah. One should always be up for, exploring avenues. You never know where life takes you.
Absolutely. These challenges are actually that gives you the thrill.
The rapid fire round.
Why is ice cream cold?
I am having a headache.
Oh, why do we put butter on things?
Too many calories.
Why do pancakes have syrup?
I'm craving one now.
What happens if you never go to bed?
Sunlight.
What is the TV doing when it's turned off?
Let's play some music.
Back in school, what happens in the teacher's lounge, you think?
I'm craving one good coffee.
What do cats do all day?
I'm a dog person.
Why do monkeys swing from trees?
I have 2 dogs, lovely girls named Lulu and Bebo.
Oh, how sweet. Why do we have noses, like a nose on our face?
Planning to go somewhere this weekend.
What do mirrors do when no one's looking?
Did you see the Nykaa sale?
Yeah, I'm actually going to go after it, soon after this. What happens if you never blink?
Oh God.
And the last question, what do penguins do in their free time?
Alaska.
Good one. Oh my God, you were creative. I really loved the way that you had fun with it, really, Simran. I hope you enjoyed it too.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much for being on the show. And here's wishing you all the very best with the choreography, with dance, with also that becoming a big part of your future and also the future that you have here at MMT. So best of luck.
Thank you so much, Annie. It was really fun. That wrong answer game really took something in me. I was like, okay, I did not expect this to be so challenging. So it was fun and I wish you all the best and thank you again for having me.
Thank you. A lot more dances coming your way and you're going to bring a smile on so many more people's faces going into the future. So have a lot of fun. You really go with the flow. With that, I've come to the end of the show. It's the Fame Game with Simran Bhatia, who's a dancer, by the way, and she's from the offline marketing department based out of Gurgaon. My name is Annie. It is a wrap. I will be seeing you again with Filmy Friday on Friday. Till then, keep smiling and don't ever stop planning your travels.
Birthday Bash on Go MMT Radio.
The belated birthday bash of Sanjay Mohan, Group Chief Technology Officer, Leadership Team.
Happy birthday!
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB Bo, and Redbus.